Let's create DIY flowers at home. We've got something truly beautiful to share that'll instantly elevate your space. Showing you ways to DIY some really stunning flowers. They're made with just a few materials. Let's start with these lovely purple blossoms that resemble delicate lavender. All it takes is some straws and a bit of effort, and voila! Beautiful flowers that are both easy and gorgeous. Now, let's move on to creating vibrant red flowers. Moving right along, let's explore making more exquisite flowers. These are eye-catching and add a pop of color to any room. Wow, a beautiful one!